Hello friends, welcome back. This is my GBP JPY trade. Currently it is running in profit and this was a trade, so I will explain the trade. See, it was so basic trade what I have explained in my structure mapping video. If you would have seen the structure mapping video, then it would be basic trade if you see. So let's see. This is the structure mapping video. If you have not watched, you can watch it, and I have also uploaded a PNL video, so you can watch it also. So coming back to the trade, okay, so see what happened. What is the basic structure mapping? It says when the structure break downside, wait for price to pull back and try to sell it from this area, and then wait for the price to come to this area and you can book the profit, right? This is what we have been learning so far. So now see what has happened here. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is 1 hour time frame, right? This is 1 hour time frame. Let me first inform you that already buy trade is running. Okay, our buy trade is already running. This is a hedge trade, you can say that. Because see, on daily time frame, if you see, this is what, this is a breakout structure. See, this is a breakout structure and this is just a pullback, right? So what I am expecting is the pullback till here. This order block I am expecting the pullback. That is why I took the sell trade. So let's come on 1 hour time frame, and this is 1 hour time frame. On candlestick chart you cannot see anything. You cannot see anything on candlestick chart, but let me change it to line chart. Now see what has happened. Multiple breakout structures to the downside. See, one, two, okay, and this was the final one. Okay, so where are we waiting? We are waiting for this buy trade here, this sorry, this sell trade here, this sell trade here, and this sell trade here, right? And see what has happened here. Now when you come to candlestick chart, see, exactly touch, exact touch, and exact touch, right? This is the simple, like, this is so, isn't it simple? What you have to do is just to on shift to line chart, see for a breakout structure. Now this was internal breakout structure. See, uh let me remove it first. Yes, see, this was internal breakout structure. If you consider this is an internal structure, but this is an external structure. See, this is external structure, and you can easily sell from here, this area. Or if you take the internal structure, this would be high risk trade and you can sell from this area also. This area you can also sell, but this was a high risk trade. But if you sell from this area, see where is it going now? If you see, is it going to this thing? And what have we learned from anywhere? You have learned this thing, right? Wait for pullback and you wait. See, exactly this is happening, right? So the trade is simple. What you need is, the logic is simple basically. What you need is to follow the process. Once you see a breakup structure to the downside, look for trade to the downside, though the price is going up. See, if you see this area, you see, oh, this is a breakout structure, it is going up. This is internal. See, you, if you consider this as a breakout structure, then it would be wrong. Okay, you just see that the external breakout structures have came, so we only look for sell trade in this area. And now when we shift to line chart, sorry, candlestick chart, see, you just have to find the order block, and then on from order block you can either wait for in this area, you can see, wait for lower time frame change of character or market structure shift, and then you can take the trade. Or you can just simply go on 1 hour time frame, mark the order block, and then take 50% or whatever you have learned. Because I have not put the second video till now, just one video is there, structure mapping video. I can guarantee you this video will change your life in trading, in market, stock market, in trading. Your life will change after you watch this video. So it is that simple. So thank you. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section, and also please like the video and subscribe the channel.